Hey friends, welcome to my channel Explore the World Dilse. Today I'll show you the best places to visit in Venice, which is situated in Italy. And please watch the full video. This place definitely amazing. So let's start. If you already visited that place, then please let me know on comment box and share your experience. So the first one is Murano. Murano is a cluster of islands in the Venetian lagoon, one of the most popular places of tourist interest in Venice. This assemblies of seven islands linked by bridges and separated by eight canals is famous globally for glass making, glass products and mirror. It is hence known as the glass island of Venice. Don't miss the place: glass factories, glass museum, glass shops, Basilica of Saint Mary and Saint Donates, the Church of Saint Peter, Campo Santo Stefano, and Palazzo da Mula. The second one is Piazza San Marco. Piazza San Marco is the most crowded public square and one of the most happening places to visit in Venice, located in front of St. Mark's Basilica and Dogs Palace. The square is separated from the palace by a small inland waterway known as the Rio Batario. This is the place where all the government buildings and other offices are located in Venice. It is no doubt one of the best places to visit in Venice. If you visited Piazza San Marco, then don't miss that place. A city tour that covers all the major Venice attraction a map would suggest. This includes places like St. Mark's Basilica, the Bell Tower, Dogs Palace, St. Mark, and St. Teodoro of Amasia Columns, National Library of St. Mark's, the Museum of Archaeology, and the Correr Museum. The third one is Grand Canal. Canal Grand or Grand Canal is the most important icon of Venice line, with gorgeous and vibrant looking palaces and castle on both sides. The canal is one of the best places to visit in Venice and meanders through the city in a zigzag way with a few breathtaking bridges built over it. It is one of the most popular places to visit at a Venice at night to enjoy the stunning sunset and watch the sparkling water of the canal. If you visit a Grand Canal, then don't miss that place. Thrilling and romantic gondola ride in the Grand Canals makes it one of the must visit places to visit in Venice for a honeymoon. Also enjoy the view of the Venetian Gothic and early Renaissance facades of the palaces that come of the sites. The fourth one is Rialto Bridge. Rialto Bridge is one of the famous landmarks of Venice, built over the Grand Canal in 1588. Besides linking two crowded streets of the city, the bridge is regarded as one of the best places to visit in Venice, Italy. It is an important crossing point of the canal. If you visit Rialto Bridge, then don't miss watching the gondolas and boats passing under the bridge, posing on the bridge, watching the adjacent fresh market, and visiting Bartolomeo, one end of the bridge. The fifth one is San Giorgio Maggiore. The San Giorgio Maggiore is a quaint little island located across the lagoon from the St. Mark's Square. It was designed by the famous architect Andrea Palladio. The beauty of the church lies in the thick gate clad in the gleaming white marble. The open and spacious interior further add to the beauty of the place. Even further, the paintings of the Last Supper and the Fall of Manna adorn the entryway. If you visited San Giorgio Maggiore, then don't miss a ride to the top of the church using the elevator to visit the neoclassic bell tower and enjoy the panoramic view of the area around. The sixth one is Dogs Palace. Dogs Palace is one of the famous places to visit in Venice. Dogs Palace is an immensely beautiful and gorgeous palace located on the bank of the Grand Canal. During the early days, it was the seat of government, the palace of justice, and the official residence of Dog. The fitness, the finesse and soberness of its Venetian Gothic architecture and decor set it a class apart. It is one of the Venice top attraction. If you visited Dogs Palace, then don't miss popular tourist attractions like Port della Carta, Scala di Gigante, Gold Vaulted Scala d'Oro, Sala del Coliseo, and work of works of Tintorito. And the opening hours are 8:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. The seventh one is Ponte dell'Accademia. Ponte dell'Accademia opened back in 1854. The Ponte dell'Accademia is one of the only four bridges around in Venice which allows the pedestrians to walk around on to cross the Grand Canal. The bridge is made of wood and metal bits and is situated around the southern end of the canal. This bridge is often quite a popular spot for the couples to visit and rejoice in. If I missed any place in Venice, then please let me know on comment box so that I can add on to my next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for new videos.